This is my channel. Okay. All right. So the situation is like this, right? I gotta do something with this hair. I'm going to cut bangs on my curly hair. So what I'm about to do is take this down. Yeah. So I gotta cut bangs. Like, I can't do this no more. I am growing my hair out. It's cute, but the issue is I got a really big forehead, so it's not popping anymore. And I just miss my bangs, honestly. I start my bangs probably from like back here. Cut. Just like this. No, I'm about to wash my hair and then kind of just let it fall how it normally does. And the thing that's messed up about it is the front of my hair right here. Like, there's some pieces that are like, I don't know, like they're just growing back, so it gets kind of puffy. I have to wash my hair. Like, it's been a little over a week. And then put my treatment in. I use this ORS, replenishing conditioner. I use this once a week. This is the one I've been using like forever. Like, but I'm not gonna cut it too short because it's curly hair. Obviously it's gonna shrink up. So where my bangs are at right now, I'm probably gonna go about this far back because I like a thicker bang. Right now my bangs are like to here. I like them a little longer just to be safe. Let me just jump in the shower real quick. And then I'm in a weird mood today. Can you tell? I think it's because I started this video with no eyebrows. What are we doing? Let's go wash this hair. Come on. I just got out of the shower, so I'm like a little more relaxed. I'm just about to put this treatment in my hair. That's what this next portion of this video is going to be. If you want to watch it, obviously watch it. If not, fast forward. But just gonna section it off and put it in. So I got this, I'm just rinsing my hands off. I got this treatment in my hair. Hi, Pookie Boo. Pookie Boo. Pookie Boo. You smell coconut oil? Yummy, 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 yummy. Usually, if I don't have a cap on, I'll leave it in for an hour, but I got a cap on. So 30 minutes, I'll rinse it out, and next time you see me, thank you for the kisses, Bully. I'll have some scissors. All right, so the treatment is rinsed out of my hair. I'm gonna condition it. I was starting to regret this, but I'm not. Because these pieces right here are so short, they like make it hard for me to be great. So I'm not gonna separate my hair because that's not gonna help anything. This is just kind of however it falls, that's where I'm gonna cut the bangs, just where my hair naturally falls. You know what I should have did? I should not have waited for my bangs to get this long to cut them. One curl at a time, right? One curl at a time. Here we go. I want my bangs to be to like at least here. And I know about the shrinkage, so let's start here. That's the first piece. Ew. I feel like at the nose is a good place, or just right above the top lip, because this one's okay. I can cut a little off this one because it's gonna shrink up. Now the sides, I want to leave the sides a little bit longer. Ugh, I just feel like this is gonna look so much better. Yeah, this is me hyping myself up. So I'm kind of just following that line with my top lip. And I don't think it needs to be even because it's curly and I don't want to have like, I mean, it looks pretty even, but I know it's not. Just a little bit. So I feel like this is good for now. I'm gonna stop here. I feel good about this. I needed this for my life and my soul. Honestly though, let me see. It feels so much better. I have the loudest and most disrespectful neighbor upstairs that a person can ever have. Oh shoot, now I'm getting scissor happy. Step. Let's do a second step to about here. Third step. See, I'm getting scissor happy. You got to chill. All right, put some gel in, style it, let it shrink up, and then I'll see you guys when it's dry. Be right back. So it's the next day. And to be honest with you, I just got out of the shower, so my hair's still a little wet, and that's why it's kind of looking like this. It was cute earlier. I had like a little messy pineapple I put it in a bun. Not like the best way to start the intro. You're probably looking like you messed up your hair, but I didn't. Let me do something with myself real quick. I think I did cut them a little too short. When my hair dries, it comes up to like, realistically it comes up to like here. So it's wet right now, and when it dries it comes up to like right here, which is not bad at all. I think the main reason why my curls shrink up so short is because I had been wearing my hair up the entire time they grew out. So for about 8 months to a year, let's be truthful, for about a year and a half, I wore my hair up like all the time. So I don't think my hair is used to being down again, because it's still like a little puffy here, and I moisturized the bejesus out of it, but it is a lot shorter. It's so short now. I just have to keep moisturizing it and like retrain my hair to go right back down. It's at right now while it's wet is kind of how I like it. But overall, I'm happy with my bangs. This isn't a very good way to show you. I definitely think I look 1,000 times better with them because I have a bigger forehead and I don't like to showcase it all the time. I definitely have to train them to go back down because they are just like, they want to be up. Not only did they shrink, but they were like reverting back. So this is what it's looking like. I'm very happy with it. When it grows out a little more, I'll probably be more happy with it. I'm definitely going to keep up with my bangs like I said last time. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I've never cut my hair before and I'm honestly wanted to keep cutting. Bye!